Hello. Today I'm talking about what is chemistry. Simply put, chemistry is the interaction of electrons from one atom to that of another. To begin our discussion, we need to know what an atom is. An atom is the fundamental building block of all matter, be it solid, liquid or gas. The atom itself is composed of a central nucleus containing positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. Orbiting this nucleus are negatively charged electrons. In a neutral atom, the number of protons always matches the number of electrons. Atoms with different number of protons are called elements. A hydrogen atom, as seen on the left, always contains one proton and one electron. A helium atom, however, contains two protons and two electrons. These elements are arranged in increasing atomic number, the number of protons, in what's called a periodic table. The periods, or rows, on the periodic table are the orbits, or shells, the electrons inhabit. The groups, the vertical columns, correspond to the number of electrons in that orbit, or shell. Taking a hydrogen and lithium atom, for example, the hydrogen is in the first period, and in group 1. Therefore, its first shell has one electron in it. In a lithium atom, it's in period 2, but still in group 1, which means its second shell has one electron in it. Atoms are most stable when they can fill their electron shells. They can do this by either 1, sharing electrons with another atom, which is covalent bonding, or 2, transferring electrons, which leads to ionic bonding. The example we'll use for covalent bonding is that of a water molecule. A water molecule contains 6 outer electrons and it requires 8 to fill its shell. The two hydrogens on the side need 1 electron to fill its outer shell. By sharing its electrons at these 2 points, forming a bond, every atom within that molecule has satisfied its full shell. With ionic bonding, however, the sodium atom on the left can lose 1 electron to have a full inner shell, whereas the chloride on the right can gain an electron to have a full outer shell. The sodium has lost an electron, so now it's excessively positively charged, whereas the chloride has gained an electron, so it's now negatively charged, and that's what's called an ionic bond. The periodic table is arranged into groups because of the importance of its outer electrons. In our example with water, sulfur behaves in a similar way, forming H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Similarly, sodium and potassium react in the same way, forming both chlorides. As a summary, electrons from one atom interact with those of another. Atoms are arranged in groups and rows in the periodic table. The rows correspond to the energy shells that have been filled, and the groups correspond to the number of electrons within that shell. Thank you.